In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace an image inside a frame in Adobe InDesign. If you've already laid out a design and just want to swap an image without disturbing your layout, this is the cleanest, most reliable way to do it. We'll keep the same frame, the same position, and the same styling, only the picture inside will change. Start by making sure the frame that holds your current image is selected. Choose the selection tool, the black arrow in the tools panel, click once directly on the image frame. You'll know the frame is selected when you see the bounding box around the edges of the frame itself, not a separate outline around just the image. This matters because telling InDesign you want to act on the frame ensures the content inside can be replaced in place. With the frame selected, go to the top menu and choose File, then Place. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on a Mac. Place is InDesign's standard command for bringing images into a document, and when a frame is selected first, it's smart enough to put the new image exactly where the old one is. A dialog box will open so you can choose the new image file you want to use, navigate to the correct folder, and click once on the file to highlight it. Common formats like JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and PSD are supported, along with many others. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the right file because the next click will swap it in immediately. Now click Open. Instantly, the new image will replace the old one inside the same frame. The frame's size, position, corner effects, strokes, and any applied object styles remain intact. Only the content changes, which is perfect for templates, recurring layouts, or when you're updating a design with fresh imagery. If your new image has different proportions than the old one, you may notice more or less of it showing inside the frame. That's expected because the frame itself hasn't changed shape. A quick tip as you review the results. If nothing seemed to happen, double check that you had the entire frame selected with the black arrow before using Place. Selecting only the content or another object on the page won't trigger the in-frame replacement, and that's it. By selecting the frame using File, Place, or the Ctrl+D or Command+D shortcut, choosing your new file, and clicking